Hey guys, welcome to my backyard. So today I thought it would be fun if you guys, me, and my puppy Maisie went for a nature walk in the trails in my backyard. Okay, we're gonna be very quiet because we want to try to see some animals on our walk. So here we go. I think Maisie might have found something. We got it out of her mouth. Let me know if any of you guys know what this is. That was a mole. Those things live in the ground. Did you see how it had barely any eyes because they can't see very well, but it had huge hands for digging tunnels. Let's keep going and see what else we can find. Oh, look at this big stump. What kinds of things do you think might live in there? Let's check it out. You see anything in there? Let's follow these tracks and see if we can't find a deer. Okay guys, over here is something really special. See those white boxes right there? Those are my brother's bees. He has bees and they make honey in those boxes. And then we harvest the honey and put it in bottles and eat it. There's a creek here. I bet if we look really close, we can see some tadpoles or some frogs. Maisie scared him away. Okay guys, on the driveway there's this cute little bird and he's called a woodcock. And they walk really funny. They look like they're dancing. They kind of walk like this. And they do that so that they can feel the worms in the ground. So look at this goofy bird. As you can see, Maisie's very tired, so that's the end of our trail. But thank you guys so much for going with us. I'll see you so soon.